Hey guys, welcome back to Mx5Modified. Today we've got a new modification that's going on to my MX-5. I have been sent this out by Malian Exhausts, so very nice of them to give us this to try on. And it's going to be the first time this is tried on an MX-5 with an engine inside it. So we're going to hear it for the first time right on this channel.
Yeah, but we're going to open it first, have a look at it, because we've not actually seen it yet.
No.
Well, we've seen pictures of it, but we've not seen it in person.
Yeah.
We've had a couple things off Malian before, and they've always been really good quality. And they seem to do really well on videos as well. Everyone seems to want to.
Yeah, especially with my unequal length manifold that I've got on, which this will be paired with. So yeah, it's going to be a good video. It's going to sound amazing. It's going to be a good video. So let's just get cracked on right into it.
Yep. Get
this open so we can have a look at it. Okay, there you go. Yeah, there we go. Oh, all nice and neatly wrapped. Comes with all the hardware that you need.
There's two of these. One of them was crazy enough on Jack's car. Now we're gonna have two of them. Two of these.
Oh, look at that.
Even like the welds in them look really nice. You might be able to see. The welds in there as well. And even the welds on there on the hanger.
Look at these.
Look really nice.
So it's dual JDM Canon exhaust.
It's gonna look amazing. Wow.
And that is how it connects up to your mid pipe, and then it connects onto the cannons right here. Oh, that is gonna look awesome.
So nice.
So it's gonna be like this. So I'll move that in there. Gonna just be like that. Also been sent out some polybushed hangers as well.
Oh, no.
Hey, look at them.
I won't mind
get them
mine.
fit. It also comes with gasket and also the brackets that you need to be able to fit them. Yeah. But this, the quality, looks amazing on these. Wow.
Excited to get this fit?
Yeah, I'm really excited. Can't wait to get this fit. I'm just going to show you my single exit I have. Where have I put my?
Have you got that with?
Yes, I have. Yeah, I brought it with me.
Yeah, honestly, guys, even like the quantity of the welds on there as well, on this main piece, really good quality. Yeah, I think you might be able to see that. Oh, it's gonna look amazing. It's gonna sound incredible as well because it sounded ace with the one JDM Canon.
Yep, so this is the single one I've got. It's already welded on. So if you are going to get the single one, it just comes as one piece. While if you get the dual, you've got to connect them up, which is also a good option because then you can take them off if you wanted as well.
Yeah. I think with these as well, we're not 100% sure if it will fit on the standard NC Mx5 diffuser.
You might need a bit of trimming on it maybe. I've got a really nice big bumper cut, so this is going to fit really nice underneath it.
Yeah, we'll be able to see how much space you've got, or whether you need to just cut the diffuser off, or if you need to cut part of the bumper off as well.
Because we'll be trying it on Sam's car as well to see what it's like with a 4:1 manifold, standard big pipe. But it also does have a supercharger.
And the supercharger as well.
So I can imagine it's going to sound really good with that. Yeah. So I guess we're going to get on with getting it fit.
Let's do it.
Yeah, now we need an extended back.
That is a clean ass hat that you've got on there, Jack.
It is, isn't it?
Mx5 Modified merch.
You're going to show them? my t-shirt. It's on my back.
Canon t-shirt.
Canon.
Gonna be 2 cannons.
Yes. There we go. Old one off. Now I'll put a new one on. Oh, it goes on easy enough. I'm gonna fit these, the new ones that they've sent out. Just got to take the old ones off.
Yeah, so you've got to puncture a hole into them.
Doesn't take much. There we go. One done.
You can just show them doing the next one.
Are you gonna do, what's it called?
And show how to puncture it.
Well, these are a difference between them both. Nice and easy. Way. Oh, and then
How can we put in WD-40 on this?
this makes it easy to go on.
Mx5Modified top tip. Use WD-40 when getting your pony bush exhaust hangers on.
They're on now, nice and easy, especially if you use WD-40. And as you can tell probably from underneath, this does need a bit of rust work doing. That will be happening soon. It comes with these 2 bolts as well and nuts, so I'm going to use these. But I've already got a gasket on, so I shouldn't need the new one that they supply. Yeah,
That is crazy.
crazy, man. Okay, we'll get this now. Pushed on. Now this other side. Nice and easy. And then I'm just going to screw this up with the new bolts. The cannons look like they're about right, so I am going to tighten up the connection between this pipe and the cannon. Freaking hell. That looks absolutely mental. First turn on.
Hang on 1 sec.
Oh, that sounds nice, nice and deep. Now that sounds great. What do you reckon to that then?
That sounds really good.
That sounds good. Can't wait to take it out for a proper test drive. That sounds absolutely incredible and looks even better. I think the looks is just perfect. The back of my car really felt like it was missing something, and that's why I went with like the wide body, because that might finish it off. But this start thing just completely makes it look like a different car. Yeah. Absolutely love how it looks. The quality is top notch as well. Yeah,
it looks good with a single exit, but with dual exit, it's more symmetrical. Yeah, and it sounds amazing.
Yeah, it sounds really amazing. It's got a really nice deep tone that you expect like from a Subaru. So when you pair it with the unequal length manifold, it's just amazing. So we can't wait to get tried on Sam's with the 4:1, because it will sound a bit different.
With the equal length manifold.
Yeah, the equal length ones. And you've got standard mid pipe as well, haven't you?
Yeah.
And mine's like an aftermarket standard one. Don't really know which one it is, but it's still got like an 800 cell cat in it. So that's the reason why it's not too loud. I mean, it is still quite loud, but you know, it sounds so good.
Yeah. Yeah, honestly. So pleased with it. I'm so happy for Jack, and it's tempting me to get one for myself, but we will be trying it on my car as well. Yeah. And then we'll take it from there.
Yeah, so we're going to try, well, with the unequal length manifold, we want to do a video with all the different exhausts we've got. So we've got metal, we've got this dual exit one, I've got the single exit Canon, the ISR Elite, we've also got your Rose Sport 2.
Yeah, Goodwin Racing Roadster Sport 2.
Yes, we need to write with that one.
And then we've got the one that I've got on currently, which is a custom power flow back box.
Yeah, so we've got that one to try as well. So we've got quite a few we're going to try on this unequal length manifold, so you guys can see what the difference is in exhaust tone with them all and how loud they are, and just just get a gist of how they are. Yeah, because if you're wanting to get the unequal length manifold, it'd be nice to know which back boxes sound better in your opinion, or which sound worse.
Yeah, that's it. And the tone changes a lot, especially with Jack's manifold compared to mine. So it'd be good to see the difference, and then you'll be able to see which exhaust tone you like the most, and all of them with a standard mid pipe.
Yeah. So anyway, guys, thanks again for watching.
Yeah. And we highly recommend that exhaust.
Yeah, highly recommend it, and we'll see you on the next one.